In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a ClickUp plan that best suits your needs. Whether you're a solo freelancer or part of a larger team, selecting the right plan ensures you're equipped with the tools necessary for your workflow. Let's dive into the process of finding a plan that fits you just right. Firstly, we begin by heading over to the ClickUp website. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the ClickUp URL. Once you arrive at the home page, it'll prompt you to sign in if you're not already logged in. If you're new, you might want to consider creating an account first. But for those of you following along with an existing account, just head straight to the login page and let's proceed from there. Once logged in, you will need to navigate to the section of your workspace. At the top of the screen, you'll notice your workspace name displayed prominently. Click on the workspace name to access more options. This will take you to a more detailed view of your workspace settings, where you can customize various aspects including your plan details. After clicking on your workspace name, look for the settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This is your navigation hub for all things related to your account and workspace setups. Click on settings and this will guide you to a new page where you can adjust your workspace configurations. Here, you can manage members, adjust permissions, and most importantly for today's purpose, alter your plan details. Inside the settings, find and click on the upgrade button. This section specifically provides options for upgrading your current plan. Whether you're considering more features or want to scale your usage, this is where you'll explore what additional possibilities are available to you. ClickUp offers a variety of plans, ranging from free to Business Plus, and even Enterprise for extensive needs. Now, here's an important part. To ensure you've got all the necessary features for your needs, find and click on the option that says Compare All Features. This handy feature provides an overview of all the different plans available, comparing what each tier offers. You can examine capabilities, capacities, and additional bonus features. This is especially helpful if you want to understand exactly what you're getting with each package, helping guide your decision-making process. Taking the time to carefully compare the features will help you select a plan that aligns perfectly with both your current requirements and future aspirations. With this, you're now on the right track to making an informed decision about the ClickUp plan that best empowers your productivity journey. So, feel free to take your time exploring these options and choose the one that's just for you.